vegans, this is Bella. Bella is my vegan dog. She's been vegan since August 2017. That means she doesn't eat any dead animal products, and she doesn't eat any eggs or cheese or anything at all that comes from animals. And look, she's perfectly healthy. And right now, she's gonna get a little treat, which is a piece of apple. Bella loves apples. Now don't get me wrong, that's not what I feed her all day. I feed her regular dog food, just like you guys do, except mine has no dead animal products in it. I'll show you what I mean. Here's my cupboard, and here's what the food looks like. Just regular kibble, see? So I just scoop that into a bowl, just like you do with your dog. Add a little bit of water, because it's always good to hydrate your dog. And that's it. So she gets that twice a day, and she gets treats in between. So Bella is 100% healthy. She has no health problems at all. So if Bella can be vegan, don't you think that your dog can too? She runs normally, she swims, she plays with friends. Her pee is normal, her poo is normal, and her blood work is normal. Right, Bella? So she's been vegan since August 2017, and I've been vegan since June 27th, 2016. The reason that Bella is vegan is because somebody pointed out to me that I'm not a true vegan if I still pay people to murder other animals for Bella. That's not nice of me to do that. Why would I want to kill a cow, a pig, or a chicken, or a lamb, or a turkey for Bella? I mean, she is very important to me, but the lives of the other animals are just as important to them, right? So let me show you today this here. This is a smoothie bowl that I made. I'm going to go and give this to my hubby who's working hard at home here. And this is what I put into it. I put some walnuts into the base. Here's what the base looks like. I just blended it all up. I put some walnuts. I put some oat milk. I put 2 apples, and I put 2 bananas. I put some ginger, because that's healthy and it gives it extra zip and flavor. I put some hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are a good source of protein. And I also put in these, which are sunflower seeds. I put some pumpkin seeds. I put some flax seeds. I put some chia seeds. And I put some spinach. I always pile a lot of spinach in my smoothies or smoothie bowls. And then I put some blueberries on top just as a decoration. I didn't actually blend those inside. And then on top, I continue just by decorating food. You know, we really do eat with our eyes, don't we? So I encourage you, as much as you want, to play with your food. Have fun with it. Pretend you're an artist and you're decorating a canvas. I mean, I don't know about you, but if somebody just randomly gave this to me, I'd be like, yay! Now, I know a lot of students are not used to eating healthy breakfast, and you're probably thinking, oh my God, what is that green stuff? But I'm telling you, open your mind. Open your mind to trying new foods, and open your heart to the animals. I want to thank you all for watching. I want to encourage you to make vegan smoothie bowls yourself and give one to somebody you love. Seriously, just make one and walk up to someone in your family and say, here you go, I love you. I prepared some delicious vegan food for you, and see what their reaction is. It doesn't have to be as big as this, but I like a big bowl because I find it gives a nice visual, and you don't have to make it too deep. You can also put some oats in there if you want to. I just happened to have run out of oats, so I didn't put them in the base. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. We're going to be looking at all kinds of things, and you'll be seeing more of my sweetie pie Bella. Here she is again. There's one more piece, Bella. Last one. Thanks everybody for being vegan or for trying to be vegan. I'll see you in the next video. Do 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 do.